Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sammy and thank you so much for clicking on this video. It is late night on a Saturday and I felt like doing something a little different. Today, we're gonna be taking a look at the noises of different planets and rating them on this lovely tier list I have created. I have all 5 of the tiers, and I will be listening to each sound of these planets and then rating them on my tier list. So for S tier, I said, yeah, I live here, meaning that the sound is so good that I would actually move in. My A tier is, I'd fall asleep to this. My B tier is, politely, please no. There's no in between. My C tier is absolutely not. And lastly, my D tier is I'm shitting my pants. Which speaks for itself, in my opinion. Alright, so we're just gonna jump right into this. I'm gonna plug in my headphones. Ow, my earring just stabbed me. Oof, please. Oh god. I can't even see my earrings. Why did I put earrings on? Alright, we're gonna start with the sun. Let's have a listen. Solid. I love it. In my opinion, this sounds exactly what you would expect the sun to sound like. It sounds like just boiling liquid. Sounds like a nice sauna. You could just take a little dip in it. Have a nice time. I'm gonna give it one more listen before deciding. Yeah, I would say, I'd fall asleep to this. It's not bad. It's a nice, soothing sound. I'm taking my earrings out. This fucking hurts like a bitch. Just getting stabbed by my earrings. It's 10 p.m. Why did I put earrings on just to record a video? Well, they were cute. Little cows getting abducted by aliens. Okay, I think the sound wasn't too bad, it wasn't too harsh, and it was kind of soothing, It kind of grew on me in those 20 seconds I listened to it. Next up, we have Mercury. Stop. What is that?
What was that?
What was that? Okay, at first it sounded like a really distorted videotape of like an airplane driving by. And then some creature just came up. What? Okay, so I'm gonna be straight up honest. I'm gonna say absolutely not. I wasn't shitting my pants the whole time, till a little bit towards the end, because that sounded like an actual monster breathing into a microphone. What was that about? Why was that happening? How legitimate is this source? Okay, we're just gonna move right on. We got shit to do. Next is Venus. And this thing has a little headphone warning, so... I'm torn. I'm torn on this. At first I was shocked. At first I was scared even. At first I was a little startled, But it's so consistent that it's not bad. I do wonder why it sounds like that though. Why does this blank planet sound this way, Full of sand and dust. I actually have no idea what Venus is made out of, but why does it sound like that? Sounds weird. I don't know how I feel about it, but it is a little soothing. Okay, let's see here. Venus, how do I feel about you? I think I could fall asleep to it. I'm gonna be honest. It's a little startling at first, but then it has a rhythm, I like it. I'm already shocked that we have 2 so high up. I thought that this would all be down below, but I like that we have some flavor. Okay, next up, we're gonna be looking at Earth. We're gonna be giving our good pal Earth a listen here. Joy. No, I didn't like that at all, actually. I thought that perhaps it would go on the yeah, I live here because I live here, but I don't like it. Let me tell you why. I think it leaves you on edge. It almost sounds like you're about to go into the void. This is what I imagine the void would sound like. as you're staring into it before you've entered it. Okay? And it sounds like something's supposed to happen. Like it has that, you know, like the climax of like a jump scare sound effect where it's like right there. That's what that sound is. But it's just ongoing and there's no drop point. There's no relief. And that gives me anxiety. So I'm gonna say absolutely not. Sorry, Earth. Try harder. Ooh, the moon. Oh, I didn't put the... Guys, I forgot the moon. We're gonna give it a listen anyway. Here's the thing. I have a fear of wind.
What?
So my judgments of these audios may be different from yours. I don't know why, but there's some psychopaths out there that love to fall asleep to the sound of wind. Howling wind. I absolutely hate howling winds. So I'm gonna have to give this one, if I actually had downloaded the picture for it, I think I would place it on the politely please no. Because it's not bad. It's kind of soothing, but then you hear that little bit of wind and it just sends a chill down my spine. So I'm gonna say no. No to the moon. Next we have Mars. What? Okay. It wasn't bad. What was with the drop in... Did you guys hear that? Like the drop in volume? It was like, whoo. Was that just the audio itself, or did that actually just like the whole planet just got quieter for no reason? Because that freaks me out. Don't know what all that's about. It almost just sounds like white noise, so I'm gonna honestly say that I would fall asleep to this. Okay, what's next on our list here? Phobos. What the fuck is that? Oh my god. Nah. Dude, those are aliens screaming in agony. That is alien hell. What the hell is this? How does something even make a sound like this? No. I'm gonna say I'm shitting my pants because that was startling from the very beginning, and I'm still startled halfway through. Thank you, but no thank you to Phobos. You can suck my nuts. Next we have the Amos. The Amos. It's not the worst. I'm a little confused. What are those little sounds? Hold on. I gotta give this another listen. Not you. Go away. Is this real? This sounds like Darth Vader breathing with some light liminal mall music playing in the background. Listen, listen. What is that melody? What's happening? Is this for real? Unsettling. This is unsettling. So I'm gonna say please no. Politely, please no. Pardon me. Oh, there's another one. Hold on. Okay, next we have Ceres. Ceres, C-E-R-E-S. He's next. Is that it? Whoa, whoa, chill! I don't know how to feel about this one. Okay, so I'm gonna be completely honest. I don't know what I just listened to. That sounded like an airplane passing over, and then it had a little... And I was like, what the fuck? Why? You know, I don't know how I feel about that. I'm gonna say... politely, please no. Again, it wasn't too bad, but it wasn't good either. No, you know, I don't like the non-consistency about that. I think that's what the biggest part of it was. Next, we have Almathia. Five Nights at Freddy's called. They want their ambient music back. What was that? That was not a planet. I know it's not a planet. It's a rock floating in the sky. I'm gonna have to say absolutely not. It wasn't the worst, but I certainly did not like it. Saturn's next. I'm not looking forward to this. I don't know. I have a bad feeling. Next we have Pluto. I'm gonna have to say absolutely not. It wasn't the worst, but I certainly did not like it. Saturn's next. I'm not looking forward to this. I don't know. I have a bad feeling. Next we have Uranus. I'm not looking forward to this. I don't know. I have a bad feeling. heavens! Good Scots! I just fixed those two up. What the hell was that? That is nightmare fuel. That was horrendous. That sounded like the screams of the damned. And you know exactly where this is going. I think I may have shit my pants a little. We're moving on. That was terrifying. Titan? What? Why does that sound like a baby monitor? Like, what do they call it? Hold on. You know when like, hold on. Come on, Sam. Think. Hold on. An ultrasound. That's what that sounds like. Why does it have a heartbeat? Why is it so consistent? And it gets quiet. Is that real? Does it actually just get totally radio silent for a second? Are you just looping the same sound over and over again? Because that's not natural. I'm gonna put this motherfucker on the absolutely not, you know? It makes me feel like the planet is alive, and I don't like that. A rock should not be alive. Okay, guys. Oh, joy. Uranus. You know, it was consistent, but I don't like it. I don't. I think it's unsettling. That's what I've concluded here. Why is Uranus so smooth? That was not a joke, but look at this thing. It's like a baby's bottom. There is no ridges. And why does it only have one color? And why does it sound like the void? I don't like this. I'm gonna say politely, please no, because it could be worse. It was soothing in an unsettling way. If it was like a little less high-pitched, it wouldn't be as scary, I guess. Okay, guys, we're moving on. Next we have Neptune. Yeah. You know, I liked that. It was soothing. It was nice. I'm gonna say I'd live here. It was soothing. It sounded a little empty, but nothing a few jams couldn't fix. I like it, and the color's nice. Next, we have Pluto. Here we go. Oh, how? Where did that even come from? That was also Five Nights at Freddy's ambient sounds. Guys, what was that? Be for real. At first I was like, wow, this is kind of boring. And then it was like, and I was like, what? I didn't like that very much. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about that. No, I'm gonna say shitting my pants, to be honest. Okay, so next we have our last one, and it is called Haumea. And it is strange looking and slanted, and it looks like an egg, so I thought it would be perfect to listen to. Let's give it a shot, shall we? It's a little smiley face. You know, I liked its consistency and its low vibrations. I think I could fall asleep to this. If I get over the fact that it is in fact a rock floating in space, which absolutely terrifies me, I could fall asleep to that sound. All right then. We have completed our tier list. I didn't do all the plans because that would be a lot, but I hope this was a plentiful amount for you folks. I know I sure had a blast listening to these floating rocks in the sky. God damn it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little tier list I have created. If you guys want to go check out more of the solar system sounds, you can find them on the internet. Have a blast. This is some weird shit. My least favorite was definitely Saturn. That sounded like the gates of hell opening. I don't know. They were all kind of terrifying because space terrifies me. And it's not because of the empty void. It's because of how large the planets are. I have megalophobia. Search it up. I'm not explaining it because everyone always makes the same joke and I'm tired of it. Anyway, this was a light night video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to check out my other videos. You might like them, or come back and find me next time for my next upload. Who knows when that will be? No, but let me know what you guys thought because I might do more videos like this. I have so many ideas and none of them correlate to each other at all. So. Okay, bye everyone! See you next time!